How to play Hamster Kombat application in mobile device. In this video, I will show you how can you easily play the Hamster Kombat application in your phone device. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to go to Google Play Store, and in the search bar, you need to type Hamster Kombat. After you type the keywords, simply click on the search icon, and as you can see the option of Hamster Kombat, simply click on install. It is already installed in my mobile device, so I will open this application now. After some time your application will open, and as you can see, now you can play this application in your mobile. So that's it. That is how easily you can play Hamster Kombat application on your mobile device. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.